Let's turn to shares of JetBlue, which are lower after reporting a smaller than expected third quarter loss. For more on the quarter and the state of air travel, Phil LeBeau is here with the CEO of JetBlue, Robin Hayes. Phil?
Thank you, Kelly. Robin, thanks for joining us today on The Exchange. Let's talk about the third quarter, a narrower than expected loss. Like so many other airlines, you did see an increase in traffic and demand in September as we saw COVID cases dropping. What do you see when you look at the fourth quarter, and how worried are you about jet fuel prices?
Hi, Phil. Yes, we were pleased with the quarter. And, as we look at quarter four, we really see good strengths for the Thanksgiving and then the holiday season. And we're also seeing continue to see some slow recovery of business travel. So overall, very happy with what we're seeing. And on fuel, obviously, we're in a period here of elevated fuel prices. It's a significant input cost for airlines, but we've seen that before, and we continue to predict strong demand into 2022.
Robin, you guys historically see your mix of passengers in the end of the third quarter into the fourth quarter. In the summer, it skews towards the leisure side. You start to see a mixed transition towards the business side, the corporate traveler. How do you feel about corporate travel right now?
Well, clearly, leisure has been much stronger than business travel. That's really been the story of 2021, and we continue to see business travel claw its way back as people head back to the offices and companies are doing business again. We do think that's going to continue into 2022. And of course, with our partnership with American Airlines, the Northeast Alliance, by next summer, JetBlue is going to be about 50% bigger in New York than we were in 2019. And that's going to give us a very significant opportunity to serve both more business and leisure travelers.
You brought up the Northeast Alliance. Let's talk about this. The DOJ thinks you guys should not be allowed to do this with American Airlines. I know you've had strong comments. We've talked to Doug Parker last week. He said he thinks this is ridiculous and that the DOJ is completely wrong. What do you say to the DOJ? And have you had many meetings? Has your team had many meetings with them where you've said, look, this is not hurting competition?
It's a real head scratcher. The DOJ has presided over significant consolidation in the U.S., where we have really 4 large airlines controlling 80% of the share. The NEA is an incredible opportunity for JetBlue to get much bigger quickly. It's going to allow more JetBlue markets. We're going to be flying to places. We're already flying to places we've never flown before. We're entering 12 a day at the end of October between Boston and LaGuardia. We've had fares on that market filed for under $30. I haven't seen fares that low for so long. Our London route has started, again, significantly disrupting fares. So it's a proven fact that even the DOJ doesn't contest that when JetBlue comes on the market, service gets better and fares go down. And so surely a bigger JetBlue is good for competition. Plus, we can partner with American Airlines to create this real third meaningful competitor in the Northeast. So I think they're playing wrong. It's a head scratcher to me. We are going to continue to grow here and roll out more and more benefits and demonstrate more routes and lower fares is in the consumer's interest.